The next student is Huzaima Riaz, whose topic is adoption of Qaid-e-Azam ideas.
An idea is often the seed of a vision, Mr. President. Yes, in the echoes of time, that vision stands tall. In a world constantly in flux, one truth remains undeniable. That's the power of vision. Among the most transformative visions and ideas ever conceived were that of our founding father, Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. His ideas were not mere aspirations. They were the cornerstone of a nation, a blueprint for unity, progress, and a better tomorrow. Qaid's ideas were as powerful as they were simple. Justice, equality, and freedom for all. He wanted a society where every citizen could live with dignity and respect. A society where the rule of law governed, where opportunities would be open to all, and where rights of every individual would be honored. Because the ideas of Qaid were not just the foundation, it was the roadmap to a progressive nation and pillars upon which we must stand. Yes, Mr. President, with unity, he called us near. With faith, he wiped away our fear, and discipline, the bedrock strong, to guide us as we march along. Louder, I want to say, his ideas are the dawn of a bright day. His ideas are the dawn of a bright day. Mr. President, Qaid's legacy is not just a relic past, but a living and breathing force that continues to shape our present and future. When we adopt his ideas, we can unlock the boundless potential of Pakistan, making it a beacon of justice, progress, and prosperity for all the generations to come. So let's rise as one to embrace the ideas that will lead us to grace. In every heart, his dreams will confess. Adoption of Qaid's ideas is the key to progress. Adoption of Qaid's ideas is the key to progress. Thanks for listening.